Hello guys. So in earlier video we have learned how to enable our developer tab in Excel, and also we learned like how to save Excel workbook which has a macro written in it. Now here in this video I will tell you how to record a macro. This is the easiest way to record a macro or to record your steps that you are doing in Excel. Suppose I'll prepare a macro. I'll just insert an Excel worksheet. Then in the middle, I'll write something, I'll merge it in the center, then I will record that. So for that, I'll just delete this to Excel sheets. So for that, if you can see below this developer tab, there is an option called record macro. Click on it. It will give this pop-up like recording a macro. What do you want to name it? Suppose this, I will name it as this. This is my first macro. Shortcut key, if you want to give any shortcut key to it, then you can give it that. I will just press shift, or I may not give. Suppose I'm giving it key shift k. Okay, store the macro in this workbook. In the description, this is my first macro. Okay, then press OK. What was my intention? I'll just insert so recording has already started. If you can see, you can click here stop recording, it will stop the recording. So my motto is insert an Excel worksheet. In the middle, just select this area, go to home, click on this merge and center, write my logo. Okay, press enter, then keep it in the middle, increase the font size, and the background, if you want to change, you can change it. Okay, so this is my logo. I'll go here, developer tab, and click on the stop recording. It will stop the recording. If I don't want to do that, in the button, if you can see in the bottom, there is an option called stop recording. So this rectangular box, you can click here. Any one of it will do. So I've stopped the recording. Let me remove this one. So I want to see like where is my macro. I'll go to this Visual Basic Editor. So there are three modules. I guess my macro is in the third one. So whatever you just did it, like all the steps, it has written here. So you have put the description as this is my first macro, the name, this is my first macro with underscores. I have just merged, I have inserted a worksheet, then I merged everything there in the middle, then I named it as my logo, and I put it in the center. If you see Excel center, so everything is written in the backend. You don't have to do anything. So suppose I'll just remove this one. I'll just remove this Excel worksheet which I just recorded, and I'll see if I will run that macro, it will do that shapes or not. I'll delete this. I'll go to this macro and run this. This is my first macro. Run it. See, it has inserted a new sheet, and in the middle it has written my logo and put it in the center. So this is our first macro recording. I'll explain two more recording examples. Then I think we'll be good with this recording experience. Okay, thank you so much guys for today.